Maybe not particularly a train, but I guess this works for now. Content. Ah, yes. I don't know particularly what he's doing, but we'll just watch it. Because I haven't really seen a train in a month. But oh well. Anyways, enough of this. We'll see if we catch a train. I think they're doing something with the ballast. I mean, I don't know what else they would be doing particularly. I don't know. There's something. I don't know. We'll keep watching this. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna prepare for a train. I guess they're starting a crane now. I don't know. Maybe they'll move it. Alright, we'll just see. Probably gotta let it warm up. In the meantime, he's still at work. I feel like we're just gonna be watching maintenance of way stuff all day. Yeah. Do this for 2 hours. Seems legit. I guess this is just what's become of the main line now. I haven't been seeing a lot, so yeah. This is something of mild interest. We'll get back to you if that thing gets moving, because I guess this is just the direction that the channel's heading now. I think they're just doing something with the yard job downtown, to be honest. It's only sat there for like 2 months. Yeah, I guess this is just what the channel's come to. That's not the only thing we have. We have that. We have that. This is totally a rail fanning channel. Yeah. Lots of noise. Better than watching nothing. Just watching flies. I don't know. I guess this is what we're doing now. Something of interest. So he's gonna take that road now. And he's gonna go and, I guess, assist them over there. I think this is just what the channel is now. We'll reposition down here. I think we're just watching a crane get through gears at this point, so content. He's doing something mildly interesting now, so we'll zoom in. And there's the truck. I mean the crane. Yeah, this is just gonna be a whole video today. Gonna catch one train probably, and then it's just gonna be maintenance of my equipment. Sorry if the audio was muffled. I had my finger over the speaker while I was recording, so. So I guess they're gonna keep doing what he's doing, it's just they have a longer arm. I'm assuming that is, so. As you can see, this one has a high rail. This is just kind of turned into a two-part video about a crane and an excavator. Woohoo. We'll get back to you once he starts digging. Oh, and also there's a forklift. Yep. Content. Oh, and there's a dump truck now. Okay. I guess this is just what we're doing. We'll move down there behind that tree and see if we can get anything better for a picture. For content, folks. This is just what we're doing now. Although they do have a truck on the rails.